Please note that this video was created for the orientation of graduate and professional students due to start at Queen's University in September 2020. Should you be watching these videos at a later stage, some of the information may have changed. You should follow the relevant links and confirm these details on the websites mentioned and/or contact the relevant people giving the videos.
Hi there, my name's Chris Lambert. I'm one of the project coordinators for graduate services at Keys Job Centre. I'm here today to talk to you about some of the programs that we have that are very beneficial to students and recent graduates. For those of you that don't know, Keys Job Centre has been in the community for the last 40 years, building really strong relationships with employers and the wider community. So it's a great place to come to get connected with opportunities and to help you with your job search and to further your career. So Keys has various programs that can be suitable for people from all types of different backgrounds. We have a very wide range of services, and there's always something that is going to be beneficial to you, whatever your background is. Keys has 3 locations that might be suitable for you. We have an office in Elgin, one in Gananoque, and we have our downtown location that is likely to be the closest to you. So usually we have drop-in services and people can come and use our resource centre and just drop in for us at 182 Sydenham Street. During the current time, we are accepting virtual intakes. So if you reach out by the phone number listed there or send an email, you can either have a virtual appointment with an employment advisor, or you can get connected to any programs that you are interested in. We will be opening the doors to the public safely in the near future. So please do keep an eye on when we are open if you do want to just drop in and speak to the great staff in the resource centre about what programs we have available, or just for some pretty easy drop-in service to help improve your resume or job applications. This slide here just highlights some of the more broader things that we do at Keys. If you drop in at our resource centre or book an appointment with one of our employment advisors, we really do cater it around your individual needs, whether that's improving your resume, working on cover letters, connecting you with employers, or for those of you that are ready to be put into some of our programs that we're running at the moment, they will help you do that as well. It really is a great opportunity for you to get free help towards your career search. Keys don't charge any money for any of our services to the public, so you really have nothing to lose by coming in and getting an extra pair of eyes on your application and pointing you in the right direction into how to improve your job search. As well as working on your individual job search, a great thing that Keys does is run lots of different events, workshops, and networking opportunities for you. So I've listed a few here to talk to you about. There's a program that's specific for recent graduates, which is funded by RBC, called Hire Talent. This is a networking event and workshop that we've put together to help you really build the skills that we think that recent graduates need, and this works on various different things: the skills of networking, building a strong online presence using tools like LinkedIn, and it's got a speed networking workshop built into it as well. You can see that from the picture there, and what speed networking is when you get 5 minutes to sit down with one employer, then I would ring a little bell and you would move on and speak to the next employer. So by the end of the night, you have, say, 15 new contacts of all these great business leaders from our community. You've learned about 15 new businesses. You've got 15 new connections, and hopefully you've learned a lot about what it takes to be a success in your field, or maybe even create an opportunity for yourself. As well as these workshops, we also have various different workshops that Keys do run, things like resume building workshops, the job search and experience counts workshop for the 50 plus range. As I said, we really do cater for people from every demographic. One of the latest programs that Keys has been running is the International Graduate Internship Program. So this is for anyone who moved to Canada to study and has graduated in the last 3 years. This program creates 4 to 6 month paid internship opportunities in the participants field. So it really does give you the great opportunity to get a meaningful position once you've graduated from school. We know that it's incredibly hard for people to kind of start their career once they first graduated, with employers asking for a lot of experience. So a program like this can bridge the gap and really give you an opportunity to get your foot in the door somewhere and show them the skills that you have. This program also has a mentoring component to it, which we found makes people more successful in the workplace. You will be partnered with a mentor either from the business you're working in or an external business leader, and the idea is that you have someone that you can speak to and get career guidance from, and make the best decisions in the workplace, which is going to not only increase your effectiveness in the workplace, but also build your network further in Kingston, and really help you get a good network in the area. We also go into the businesses and do intercultural intelligence training, so that we know how important it is for employers to understand the value of international graduates in the workplace. So this training really does highlight the values of hiring someone who has moved to Canada recently. Back before COVID disrupted everyone's lives, we used to host welcome nights on the last Thursday of every month. So we're looking at ways that perhaps we can conduct these nights virtually, or if not, we're looking forward to when they are able to return. What these nights are is just a great opportunity for anyone new to Kingston or just looking to expand their network to meet with other professionals in the area. So I'd always say for a recent graduate to see yourself as a newcomer to an area, and really to take the opportunity to get out there and to meet new people. And we see it all the time where opportunities come from conversation. So make sure that when these events return that you come and join us and get to know some people in the area, and hopefully some opportunities can come from that. Thank you to everyone for listening to me speak about Keys Job Centre. If you are interested in anything I've spoken about today, or just want to learn more about what we do and how we can help you, please do reach out on the phone number listed there or the email address. And I look forward to hopefully meeting some of you in the future.